and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a, a DIY tag. Basically, I met this amazing mama who also does DIY on YouTube, and we decided to do this collaboration, which is where we both do a crazy cool project for you guys, and then we tag each other or link each other. I'm doing this DIY with Coolest Mama DIY. How cool is her name? Coolest Mama DIY. What was the tagline? She takes you from clueless to I got this. That is so fab. And on my channel, I take you from, I don't have a tagline, but have you had your coffee yet? We are both actually doing a tabletop centerpiece candle holder. So I actually went to Dollar Tree for this one, and I got me some of these nice little candles. And then also I actually went to Home Depot because y'all know that's my second home, and I got, and I'll insert a footage, I got this 8-foot long 2x2 wood, and this is what I'm using. I actually went ahead and I already cut them to size, and I sent them down. You want to make sure you send these down because they're a little splintery. Oy! And I think I still have to do a little bit more sanding. So I just literally cut these to random sizes. I eyeballed it, but if you guys do want to know the lengths I'm using, oh my gosh, y'all, I want some coffee. It is nighttime and I'm craving coffee. Do I have a problem? I might have a slight problem. So now that we have a cell phone commercial raising the bar, I'm going to let you guys know what sizes I'm using for these. So my biggest one is 12 inches, it's a foot long. $5 foot long. 80. Okay, this is not a Subway commercial. The second one I have is 10 inches, and then I have 8.5 inches, 7 inches, 7 inches, 6.5 inches. This looks like 5 3/4, 5.5, and then we have 3 3/4. Those are the sizes I'm using. Like I said, basically, you can go as short as you want, maybe not too short, or you can go as tall as you want. So the tools I'm going to be using for this project, I have my wood glue, I have my screwdriver, I have some clamps. And you don't need clamps. You can actually just use like anything heavy you have laying around your house. And the clamps are just going to be to hold the woods together so that the glue can dry. And then I also found this little tiny painting set from Dollar Tree. I don't know how good it is, but we're going to go ahead and try it since we are going to be painting our candle holder. Then I do have the main attraction. This is what I'm going to be using to drill into my wood pieces, and I'm actually going to be drilling into the top of these. It's going to be basically like this. So it's going to hold the candles. Oh, look, it's staying by itself. So let me do a couple so y'all can get the gist of this. And I actually saw this on Pinterest, and I was like, I want to make this. Like, how cool. Y'all, no, seriously. Doesn't that look cool? We can use it as a tabletop, or you can even put this in your entryway. And I actually might put one of these in my entryway. I think for Thanksgiving, I'm going to use this as a centerpiece for my dining setup. Oh no, y'all, I am breaking these candles, y'all. Okay, y'all, I need to get some coffee. Oh man, no, actually, I don't think I broke. I think it was already broken. Oh, anyways, but okay, tell me this is not a cool idea. I am thinking I want to paint it. I have like a lot of black accents. I'm thinking maybe either gold or black. I'm not sure. I saw this picture on Pinterest, as I said, but I went back to look for it and I couldn't find it. And I want to make sure you guys know, like, that's not an idea I came up with. I just found it and I said, let me try to make it. So, all right. All right, so what I'm going to do, let me see how big the ends of my candles are so I know which. I think this is probably good. Yeah, so I'm going to be using the 7/8 bit to make my hole. So I'm going to be making a hole in the center point of each of these. And I don't think we need to go too far down. I'm thinking maybe like 1/2 inch, or maybe we can go like 1 inch I'm thinking maybe an inch down. This is 2x2 wood, but I don't know if you can see, it's like, it's very, I sanded it down, so it's not too bad, but it's still very like rough. I'm going to be making a mess in my dining room, but it's okay, we'll just clean it up afterwards. So we're gonna mark down the middle point of each of these wood pieces. I think I might need to clamp this down somewhere to get it to stay. Let us see. You know what? I already know what y'all gonna say. Y'all gonna say I need a face mask, so I'm gonna get a face mask. I would recommend clamping these down and not using your hands like I stupidly did. And I'll find a way to hold them down so that you can go ahead and drill your holes. But I think I actually went a little deeper. I didn't really measure, I kind of eyeballed it, but I think I went a little deeper than an inch and all of these. I kind of like played around with holding the candle to make sure it'll stay. And also, you know, when you have your candle on, you can drip a little bit of the wax and it'll stay either way. So some of you guys told me that you really like Patrick, and actually I think somebody commented I should let Patrick do a DIY. I think Patrick will mess it up, so I don't know about all that, but maybe. Okay, so I think I'm kind of just playing around with it to see what I like better. I don't mind it when it's short like this. Can you guys see? Like this. This is cute. And then maybe this one could be in the middle, like that. I think what I'll do clusters of 3s, and then when I arrange them, I can arrange them next to each other, like so. Let's take these out so they don't fall off. So I'm trying to make sure that the rough ends are on the inside so that they're glued together that way. And then, y'all, I think this looks okay. Let's just go ahead and paint it. Glue it together first and then paint it. If you were going to just glue this together, just like go with what you feel looks good. I think for me, I think the clusters of 3s look good. And all you will do, you'll dab on some glue, you'll put it together, right? And you would either clamp it down, right? Or just put something heavy on it so that it stays. And once the glue dries, you're good to go. I need this to dry like ASAP so that I can record this. I'm going to go ahead and just nail gun it. I should have done like the cooking shows where they start cooking something and they say, okay, we'll just put it in the oven for 45 minutes, but magically they already have one that's already prepared. I'm not prepared though. I didn't have coffee. If you are going to use a nail gun and you're nail gunning them like I'm doing in the middle, make sure you don't put this in the middle because then it's not going to attach. It's going to attach between these. So just go ahead and do like what I did right here. I put one on each side so it attaches to them, but it's not going through them, if that makes sense. Did I ask you guys already? What are you doing for Thanksgiving? What is everyone doing for Thanksgiving? Comment down below. I think I'm going to go ahead and paint this black. And for the sake of this DIY, I'm just going to go ahead and use craft paint. And craft paint can be found for like 50 cents at Walmart. I have black craft paint. For those of you guys who enjoyed having Patrick on the channel, what would you like to see from him? What are some things you guys would like to see Patrick do? And if he does a DIY, what kind of DIY are you guys thinking that he should do? Also, you know, the new year is coming up. What do you guys want to see from me? Are you guys following me on Instagram yet? Let me tell you guys what happened. So I actually had to recently change my Instagram name because originally when I first made Instagram, I had the handle Sand Coffee Please. And for whatever reason, I got locked out of my account. And when Instagram reset it, they locked the username. And I've been trying to like go back and forth with them to get it back. And for whatever reason, it's not happening. So at first I had it without the E, but a lot of you guys asked me like, did you forget to write the E when you put it in your video? So I went ahead and I changed it to have the whole word, and then I just added an underscore. That way, you guys, I guess it's easier to find and it's not as confusing. So you go ahead and look me up on Instagram, y'all. It's a more of a chance for us to interact, you know? So let's be friends. Find me on IG, that's where I will be. Bow, 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 bow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Clueless Mama DIY's project. It's going to be in the description below. And as always, may your hair game be as strong as your DIY game. Well, I don't know if this was really strong. So may your hair game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, latte. Bye, boos. Candles, are you okay? Ooh. You guys, I broke how many candles trying to do this? Ugh. Send coffee. Please.